Barbara. My name is Rachel. I'm the dietitian that's going to be working with you today.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So what would you like to talk about today?
I'd like to lose 15 to 20 pounds. I've tried some diets, but they really don't work for me.
What was it about these diets that didn't work out?
They were too extreme. They didn't fit into my daily life very well.
Alright, well we can certainly work together to find a diet that works the best for you. So what I'm going to start with is just for asking your height and weight. How tall are you?
I'm 5'5",
And how much do you weigh?
about 150 pounds.
Okay, great. I see you brought your 24-hour diet log with you. Was yesterday a typical eating day for you?
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright. What I'm going to ask you to do is just relay your food log to me, and I'll write it down as you do.
Okay.
Let's start with breakfast.
Okay, for breakfast I had a bagel with some cream cheese and a cup of coffee.
Alright, the cream cheese on your bagel, how much did you have? Would you say more like this teaspoon or more like this tablespoon?
Yeah, I like a tablespoon, about 2 of them.
2 tablespoons?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And did you have anything in your coffee?
Yeah, I had cream and sugar, probably about 2 tablespoons of cream and about 2 teaspoons of sugar.
Alright, what time was this around?
About 8 o'clock.
So how about lunch?
For lunch, I had a beef and bean burrito and some tortilla chips, some salsa, guacamole, and some lemonade.
So the salsa and guacamole, how much would you say compared to these measuring
About
cups?
a quarter cup of each.
Alright, what time was this around?
About noontime.
And was the burrito, was it made at home or was it
No, it was takeout.
takeout? Alright, so let's talk about dinner.
And dinner, I had a pork chop and corn on the cob, some mashed potatoes, and some milk.
What kind of milk was this?
2%.
Do you typically drink 2%? Mashed potatoes, how much would you say again compared to these measuring cups?
About a cup.
Alright, 1 cup. And the pork chop, how much pork chop, just guessing with your hands?
Probably about that big.
What time was dinner?
About 6 o'clock.
Okay, how often do you snack throughout the day?
2-3 times, usually between meals.
What did you have for snacks yesterday?
Let's see, in the morning I had some orange juice and a small snack bag of pretzels, like the 1.5 ounce size.
Great.
A granola bar and some trail mix in the afternoon. It has nuts and candy in it and some water. And then after dinner I had some chocolate ice cream, probably about a cup of it.
Alright. So you said you had water with the afternoon snack. Will you typically just have it with that one snack once a day or so?
I like drinks with more flavor to them.
Alright, so let's see, when you have meats, will you typically, which ones will you go for? More the red meats, dark meats, or?
Red meats.
Alright. Do you eat cold cuts regularly? How about eggs?
Yes.
Alright, desserts, how often?
Every day.
Alright. Do you drink coffee daily?
Yes.
How about alcoholic beverages?
3-4 times a week.
Alright, and how often do you go out to restaurants?
About 3-4 times a week.
Alright, so I'm going to ask you on a scale from 1 to 10, how ready would you say you are to improve your diet?
I'd say about an 8.
Alright, and what would we have to do to make that 8 a 10?
Find a way to put the changes into make realistic changes to my daily routine.
Okay. Alright, great. Well, we can definitely work on that in our next counseling session.
Okay.
It's great to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'll
you
see you
too.
soon.
Thank you.